2 independents in your left and right hand. This tutorial is for intermediate to advanced piano players. So the rhythmic pattern I'm going to use to demonstrate this is called the Tresillo, which has its roots in Afro-Cuban son clave and shows up in lots of different popular songs and music. So I've developed a tool, and today we'll basically have time for 2 patterns that I use this tool for, but feel free to use it for any number of patterns. So on the top we have our count, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Our next row is our right hand pattern, and our last row is our left hand pattern. So what I'm going to start by doing is keeping a pulse in my right hand where all these X's lie. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Repeat that over and over until you've totally mastered it. In your left hand we have this pattern, 1, 2 and 3, 4. The visual aid is key for yourself. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Once you've mastered that in your left hand, then we're going to tie them together. We're going to keep a pulse in our right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Once you've mastered those 2 together, then we are going to move on to our next pattern, which for us today is going to be just our quarter notes. I'm erasing all the ands. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Repeat over and over again until you get it. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.